What's up? Kill Too Technical. I'm back again with another video. Today I want to show you how to enable edge lighting on your zFold3. Yes, the zFold3 has edge lighting. I didn't think it did, but it actually does. So in order to get it up and running, you want to go to settings. You want to go to notifications. As you can see, notifications. You want to go to brief pop-up in settings. You want to go to edge lighting. Right there it says edge lighting style. Boom. And these are all the different kind of styles you can get on your zFold3. I actually thought it didn't have access to this until I was digging deeper into the device, and boom, I found it. So these are all the ones you can get currently on your zFold3. We're gonna go with this one right here, and then when you're done, you hit done. And anytime you get a notification or a text message, it'll pop up like that. So let me see here. Let me cut that back on. Cut my data, my cellular data back on. See if I get a notification. Hold on, let me see here. Let's go back to it. Get a notification. Close the phone up. But anytime you get, it's not going to work right now because I don't have any notifications, but anytime you get a notification, that is basically your, boom, there you see. Okay, there you go. That's like your LED notification. It comes up around the display. And I really like that. I think that's really cool. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. And I'll catch you in another video. I'm out.